Just running through the initial startup tests. Just thought I'd video it just in case something goes wrong. Now for the one that blew up the last one. Seems to be feeding fine. Yeah, you can see where it's, the gear is catching on the bar, sliding lovely. But it's got a lot more contact than it did on the last bar. Yeah, even though the clutch is on the minimum setting it can be on, I'm not getting any clicking at all. Engage and disengage is smooth. This is how the last one should have been. Hopefully Axminster will sort out the problems on the last one and some lucky person will get an extremely nice lathe. Perfect. problems. The only downside I found to this lathe so far is adjusting the tilt on the angle. If you tilt it to 45 degrees and then try and get it back, the two nuts that are in the keyways twist. No matter how careful you are, and once they've twisted, you can't do anything. You've got to take the damn thing apart. The last one was like it, and it seems this one's like it as well. When I take it apart, I'll show you the problem with the key. One slight problem, there's a Allen key under here that I can't get to. Just my luck, it doesn't seem to be that one that's actually playing up. I might as well keep that one in. Yeah, see? So this is the one that's gone. And it can't be worn out, it's a brand new lathe. Right, there it is. Nothing wrong with it. It's just that when they're in now, they don't tend to line up when you go past 45 degrees. Actually, it's about 40 degrees you have to go past. And they play up. What I may do is turn the plate and see if we can get it so it doesn't actually catch. But that key, you can see I've slid it in. As it comes out, it hits here, and then there you go. Won't go either way now. Just a design problem. Get it in line again, and then there, round. I'm going to try and put it the opposite direction. I don't think it's going to work now because the lines are there. bit of a pain, but it's not a hard thing to do. Alright, let's just set it at 0 for now. Sorry, not 2 tenths, 2 hundredths. Chops out a lot more. Alright, I've turned the piece around. Really nice finish on it. And I've set it to what it was the other end. Let's see what it joins up like. Focus. And we still seem to be cutting. Reasonable finish. Right. First decent amount of chips I've had. Very nice. Right. I think that'll do me for today. I'm in a lot of pain again. I only wanted to get those 2 cuts done just to see what it's like. And see you tomorrow.